Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are talking about bed frames. You guys, this is the ZINUS Lottie. They're upholstered platform bed frame. It's a super classic style, going to be, just really timeless and look good in any decade. This goes with any decor in any room, and it has a couple different color options for you guys. Also, as a note, ZINUS is a great company. They're a great seller on Amazon. They have a lot of different beds and also sell mattresses. So you can look, if you need a mattress as well, they do the whole bed in a box thing. It can come right to your door and you can just get the hookup on a mattress and this amazing Lottie upholstered bed from ZINUS. This bed is going to be that platform style, which means you do not need a box spring. That's fantastic. I think that's better for the health of your mattress. I find it to be more comfortable. Plus, you save money because you don't have to buy the box spring. This bed is super durable, really high quality materials. It holds up to about 700 pounds, and you're gonna find it to be really sturdy and last a long time. In fact, ZINUS gives you a 5-year warranty, so you know that they stand by their products and you can buy with confidence. Another really cool thing about this, you guys, look, I hate putting together furniture and sometimes, you have the convenience of ordering something on Amazon and it's amazing. It comes right to your door and that's great, but having to put it together can be a real pain. Don't worry about it with these ZINUS beds. They come to you in one box. I know sometimes you can order furniture and it comes in 3 different boxes on 3 different days and it's a real nightmare. This is one box, all flat packed. Everything is very clearly labeled and you have really clear, easy to understand instructions. This is very simple to put together. I'm talking under an hour, you're done and you are sleeping on your new bed, getting a great night's sleep. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be so happy you did.